with the Saturn V schematics.
Verified. The structural integrity is holding.
Lightning, keep the tension steady. Submarine entering the water.
Thrust is stable. Maintain level.
Adjusting thruster output to compensate.
Belts holding strong. Continuing ascent.
Submarine belts releasing. Affirmative. Sling secure. Load transferring. Main lift engaged. All stations holding steady. Status green. She's stable under rotors. Keep it steady. Tension indicators are green. Altitude gaining 5 degrees nose up. Monitoring cable 3 holding the load. Affirmative. Trajectory holding towards the coast.
All containment removal steps complete.
Stabilization markers now. Markers now.
Number 4 engaged. Check. Moving to 7. Bolt piston cleared. Hydraulic pressure steady. Jacks extending 2 millimeters. Clearance confirmed on all sides. All sides. Hold, hold. Confirmed clearance left. Clear on the left. Setting down slowly now.
Breaking free! 3 inches clearance! Clearance!
Clearance is good.
Clear to take tension. Clear to lift. Watch your lines on the descent. Copy. Standing by to receive. To receive. Equivalent. Inside the flight restoration hangar, the upper section of the Saturn V stands elevated within a climate.
Engaging hydraulic jacks. Jacks retracted. Clearance is confirmed. Proceeding with descent. Touchdown confirmed. Section staged.
Keep tension steady on the hydraulics. Tack point set here and here. Check laser alignment. Line up the clamps, check the laser arc. Clamp tension adjusted. Beginning long beat pass on Sector 7. Sector 7. Heat on segment 4 is high, hold for cooldown. Copy that. Standing by. Okay, mark that area for the crack stop drill.
Setting up the magnetic base now. Inside the Bright Restoration hangar, major sections of the Saturn V remain carefully staged on reinforcement. Batteries. Technicians guide the manifold gently into position against the engine assembly, checking alignment carefully before final.
Looks perfect.
Remote systems confirm continuity. Preparing for final sign-off. Affirmative.
And steady. All right, steady. Bring her down slow.
Clear to engage pins.
Affirmative.
All clamps and towers cleared.
Tension is set. Initiating primary lift. Slow and steady.